Slope Camel all-in-one super floor grinding machine. The Slope Camel is a game changer for grinding, polishing, and surface preparation. It has scarifiers and shot blasters function all in one. It can deliver fast, clean, and more efficient solution for super floor. As you can see, the working efficiency is 20 times more. Good for new floor and old floor renovation. Super fast, super clean, super Slope Camel. Smart and simple operation. Precision control at your fingertips. Each press adjusts the height by 0.25 mm for consistency. Key highlights: super fast surface preparation, fast removing coatings and hard concrete, saving time and cost. Extreme removal power, easily remove 5 mm thick coatings. Improve flatness, built-in slope sensor automatically adjust the machine's position. Not only follow the existing floor profile, but improve flatness. Aggressive design. Slope Camel, your powerful partner on every project.